So there's really only 4 reasons why men get erections, whether it's sexual arousal, which happens in the brain, nerve stimulation, blood flow into the penis, and blood storage into the penis. And there's a lot of different pumps out there, but basically all of these devices were designed to do one thing, and that's to create an artificial erection in a natural way, so no drugs. And our main goal is to get that blood flow back. Good blood flow will keep tissue nice and healthy. Without good blood flow, tissue will end up dying off, and what could eventually occur is either shrinkage or loss in length. So oftentimes the doctors will utilize a vacuum device as a daily therapy program to either help prevent that from happening or help gain back what may have already been lost.